Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're back with another heart-melting update from our favorite duo Ling and Orm, because honestly, what did we just witness? Orm being completely whipped, openly wanting to kiss Ling, and Ling taking care of Orm like the softest girlfriend ever during the countdown event. Fans, please brace yourselves, this one is dangerously sweet. During the countdown moment, fans couldn't help but notice how Orm was clearly in full whipped mode, her eyes locked on Ling, her expressions soft, shy, and totally exposed. At one point, Orm looked like she genuinely wanted to kiss Ling, forgetting for a second that they were surrounded by cameras and people. And fans reacted immediately, saying, "Is this really a celebrity's daily life?" Because the level of affection was just too real. That iconic Thai fan reaction summed it up perfectly. Like, are celebrities really this sweet every single day? Now let's talk about Ling, because while she was on another level throughout the event, Ling kept turning the fin toward Orm non-stop, making sure Orm stayed cool, comfortable, and taken care of. No hesitation, no pretending, just pure instinct. Fans couldn't stop praising her, saying she really gives her everything in love. Ling didn't care about the cameras or the crowd. Her focus was only on Orm, and honestly, the way she naturally takes care of Orm, that's not acting, that's habit. As the countdown continued, the atmosphere became even sweeter. The way they stood close, exchanged looks, and smiled at each other, it felt intimate, warm, and incredibly genuine. This wasn't just a fan service moment, it felt like two people who are deeply comfortable with each other, sharing a special memory. As the year turned, no words needed, just vibes, just Lingorm. This wasn't just a fan service moment, it felt like two people who are deeply comfortable with each other, sharing a special memory. As the year turned, no words needed, just vibes, just Lingorm. So what do you think? Is Orm completely whipped? Is Ling the ultimate caretaker girlfriend? Or are we all just losing our minds over how real this feels? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lingorm updates. See you in the next video.